It will be the policy of my administration, United States of America, to keep 100% of all the Bitcoin the U.S. government currently holds or acquires into the future. This will serve in effect as the core of the strategic national Bitcoin stockpile. Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say, it's going to the moon. I want America to be the nation that leads the way, and that's what's going to happen. So you're going to be very happy with me.
Good morning, Pepe Coin Army. We're going to look at Bitcoin and Pepe chart today and predict what's going to happen in Q4 of this year. First of all, we have presidential debate tonight, and we'll see if Trump will mention Bitcoin. And if he does, Bitcoin is going to the moon as we speak. FOMC meeting is in September 17th, and 25 basis point cut is 70% likely going to happen. And rate cut means more money supply, and more money supply means dollar value goes down. And dollar value going down means crypto going up. And we're going to talk about if recession is going to happen, and we'll back up our point with the data. All right, this is Pepe chart in 1 day time frame. And we're back in the golden pocket zone right here. And first thing I'm seeing is a RSI divergence. So price is going down and RSI is going up, meaning it's bullish. That means the sellers are exhausted and now the demand is coming up. And indicators aside, just looking at the price, we are down 56%. Okay, and then we are in the volume profile zone. So let's say it goes down more to like worst case, let's say here. That is only like 10% to the downside. And to be a good trader, you have to consider risk to reward ratio. Okay, so risk is about 13%. And the upside is, I need to zoom out. The upside is 800%. Okay, this is how you make a good trade. Not buying high when your upside is low and the downside is high. So that's the first thing. And if we go to Bitcoin chart, we have been going sideways for 182 days since March. And if we look at what happened last year, so this was March of 2023, and then it went sideways for 209 days. And then it started to go up since late October. So I'm expecting same thing to happen this year. March till October will be right here, around 200 days. So we're super close to the bottom. And if I were you, and this is what I'm doing, I'm dollar cost averaging in September and October. And just gonna wait until Q4 of this year because we got the rate cut in September and election in November. And if Trump gets elected, then Bitcoin is going to 300K. And Trump is winning by 8%. This is mega bullish for crypto. And yep. Asset comparison. All right, I want to talk about asset class market cap comparison. So this is the total market cap of Bitcoin. It's at $1 trillion. But if you compare gold, it's 17, and art is 18, and stocks is 110. Cash, fiat is cash, is 120 trillion, and global debt, bond market is 315 trillion, real estate is 330. So the potential for Bitcoin to be as bigger than gold is much higher versus if you're buying gold or stocks, it's much harder to go up. It's not gonna get you the 1,000%, like 500%, 1,000% gains to actually change your life. So these asset class has been around for more than 100 years, and these are assets you buy after you make your money. And Bitcoin and crypto is an emerging new technology, and more money is going to be flowing into this digital asset and going to grow in the future. So if you're young and if you want to change your socio-economic class, you are better off buying $1 trillion Bitcoin versus $300 trillion real estate. And if you park your money in fiat, that means you're losing value. It's a depreciating asset. Cash is a depreciating asset, and Bitcoin goes up 150% compound annual versus stocks is like 9%, and real estate is only like 5%.